Hey guys, here Filippo again. I couldn't sleep last night because I was very excited about our next trip with our special teacher in this amazing area in Kobarid. We went to the top of this beautiful mountain. It was an amazing experience. On the road, I have seen goats, cows, horses, bears too. I was not alone. We are at the start of a Red Bull Goni Pony race. I'm thinking that maybe they are crazy. I have a lot of experience by cycling, but this bike is so strange. It's very crazy, with one brake and only one gear. It was an incredible race because it's not a race, it's a carnival. There are a lot of people with retro style, with these crazy bikes. I love it. So many people around this race, so many people with this enthusiasm. I can't stop, I go. We are in Bohin Lake, we have cycling here. It's an incredible place. During our trip, there are a lot of places perfect for the outdoor activity, like fly fishing, windsurf, paragliding too. It's the perfect place for the outdoor lovers. This is our last stop for all together. We came from different countries, but it's a very perfect group with funny people, and I love them. Yeah.